What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and due to circumstances, as you all know, we're gonna go ahead and prank people from afar, and make sure you watch it all the way to the end because we found the Frisbee guy that some of y'all in the comments wanted me to mess with again. Check it out. Yep. Hey, yo!
Slow down.
Alright guys, so we're staking out for some disc golfers. We're gonna see how they react when they go to tee off and we air horn them. Here it is.
I'm out in the field, man.
Do it again! I don't know where the
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's a decent day out, and we decided to get out of the car and come to this course and mess with some more Frisbee people, guys. Or disc golfers, whatever you call it. I think there's two of them coming up right now. I don't know if you can see them over there.
Oh, you see me? Time to go.
I was like, alright, that was almost too perfect. Yeah.
You know, yo, they were cool. They were definitely cool. See, not everybody gets angry at you when you do this. Yo, leave him. No way, no way. That's the guy from the first video. Yo, y'all wanted to see me with the Frisbee guy again? Here it is, guys. Here it is, here it is. Yo, holy hell. I can't believe we actually found this guy. Dude, this is intense. This is insane. Is that actually... I think it's him. That's definitely him, guys. Yo. I think the next hole is this way, guys. I know this guy hates me. I know he does. He sees me. I gotta go. Yo. Oh God! Red alert, guys! Red alert! Red alert! Look at the wild. No! Oh God!
Hey! Thanks for the Frisbees! What, you don't watch Frisbees? There you go. It's just a prank, bro!
Where's your friend?
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. What's up, bud? You remember me from last time? You remember? You remember me, bud? What's up? Oh, you gonna throw that? Oh my God! Dude. Yo, this is mine. I got your Frisbee, man. Look, I got your Frisbee. Chill, chill, here. It's just a joke. Look, here, take it back.
Whoops!
Let's go. Let's go. Out of here.